Hi, I am Priya from ChatMaxima. In this demo, I will show you how to connect your Facebook page to ChatMaxima, step by step. Once connected, every messenger conversation from your page lands in one shared inbox, where your team can see it and reply instantly. Let us get started.
Now, let's begin the process of connecting your Facebook account to ChatMaxima. From your ChatMaxima dashboard, navigate to the Channels section. Select Facebook. This is where you can connect your Facebook account and manage your Facebook conversations seamlessly from ChatMaxima. To connect a new Facebook account, click Add Facebook in the top right corner. Before you begin, take a moment to read the on-screen instructions to understand the Facebook connection process. Once you're ready, click Connect and Add Own Pages to securely connect your Facebook page to ChatMaxima. Review the Facebook account shown. If it's the account you want to connect, click Continue to authorize ChatMaxima and securely connect it with your Facebook account. If the account shown isn't the one you want to connect, log in with the correct Facebook account. Once you're signed in, click Continue to authorize ChatMaxima. Here, choose whether ChatMaxima can access all current and future pages or only your current pages. Now, choose the Facebook page or pages you want to connect with ChatMaxima. Simply check the pages you'd like to manage. Then click Continue to proceed. Next, select the Facebook business account you'd like to connect with ChatMaxima. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to proceed. If your Facebook page is linked to an Instagram business account, Meta will also ask you to grant access to that Instagram account. Select the account you'd like ChatMaxima to access. Then click Continue to proceed. You're almost there! Facebook now asks you to review the permissions required for ChatMaxima to manage your Facebook and Instagram conversations. Click Save to grant secure access and continue to the final confirmation step. Success! Your Facebook account has been connected to ChatMaxima. Click Got It to finish the setup. Your Facebook and Instagram messaging channels are now ready to be managed directly from ChatMaxima. Now you're in the Manage Facebook Accounts section. Here, you'll see all the Facebook pages linked to your account. Access detailed Facebook page information to monitor engagement and respond effectively. Click Connect next to the page you want to add to ChatMaxima. Once connected, you can manage messages from that page directly in ChatMaxima. Once the page is connected, you'll see a success notification confirming that your Facebook page has been connected to ChatMaxima. Now, let's see how you can manage your Facebook integrations and view your connected pages in ChatMaxima. Next, click Facebook to view the Facebook accounts connected to ChatMaxima. Here, you'll be able to see your connected pages, their current status, and manage your integrations whenever needed. Now, let's see how incoming Facebook messages are received in ChatMaxima. We'll send a message from Facebook and see how it appears in ChatMaxima. Imagine you're looking for the Royal Cars Facebook page after hearing about the business. You type Royal Cars into Facebook's search bar and a list of results appears. To narrow down the results, you select the Pages filter, making it easier to find the official business page. With the Pages filter applied, you can now see the available business pages. You spot the official Royal Cars page. Click on it to explore the page. Once you've explored the page, click the Message button to start a conversation. A Messenger chat window opens, and you type your first message. The moment you press Send, Facebook instantly begins delivering the message. Instead of staying only in Messenger, the message travels securely to ChatMaxima because the Facebook page is connected. As soon as the message is sent, it's delivered to ChatMaxima in real time. Next, we'll move to the ChatMaxima dashboard to see how incoming Facebook messages are managed from a single interface. Access the inbox to manage all customer conversations across channels, including Facebook. And select All Conversations. Here, you'll find the new conversation from the connected Facebook page. Click on the chat to open it and view the customer's message. This Facebook message is now available in ChatMaxima, allowing you to view the customer's inquiry and respond directly from the shared inbox. Now it's time to respond to the customer. Click inside the reply box at the bottom of the conversation to begin composing your response. Now, type your response. You can create a personalized response to assist the customer effectively. Now your response is ready. Take a quick moment to review your message and ensure it's exactly what you'd like to send. Once your response is ready, click the Send button to deliver your message directly to the customer on Facebook. After sending the reply, it appears immediately in the conversation thread alongside the customer's message, giving you a complete view of the interaction. Now, switch back to the Facebook page's Messenger. You'll see the reply you sent from ChatMaxima displayed instantly in the conversation, confirming that messages are synchronized in real time between ChatMaxima and Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this guide helps you successfully connect your Facebook account with ChatMaxima and manage your Facebook conversations with ease.